Hey guys, what's up? So my friends have been begging me to get my bangs because they think I have a big forehead. It's like a 5 head almost, even though it's really 4. And they want me to get bangs, so I trust them with my life. I mean, they are in the medical field, so how bad could this bang cut be, you know? So enjoy.
Next.
I don't want like that much haircut, so I'm just gonna do like.
I feel like your forehead's a little big. Should we get more sections? I think let's start with a little bit. Yeah. Okay, and then?
That is the worst triangle ever, Tina.
That's a perfect triangle. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. So I'm gonna like get a clip and just clip the sides.
Here, just tie her hair back.
There, my hair tie.
Now she makes a smaller triangle.
Smaller triangle, you heard that?
Triangle.
Triangle.
The tutorial is like 5 minutes, and it's taking me like 10 minutes to just section this part out.
Smaller.
Okay,
Take off your glasses. Take off your glasses.
How are we gonna collect the hair?
Let's move the carpet then.
Below the glasses.
Yeah. We'll take off the glasses.
Hold on. You watch how she's cutting it.
I know, like this.
Good.
Like this.
But first, doesn't she go straight across?
Oh my god, no.
No?
Yeah, she's like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Excuse me, you better watch.
Oh, okay.
Kitchen knife they're using.
Oh, we're going. I'm gonna
Okay, ready?
Wait, am I getting it?
Ready? Right below my finger.
Oh my god.
Yours is so much longer than hers, though.
Yeah. Ready?
A little bit below the
Yeah, a
nose.
little below.
Please.
There.
Ready?
No.
Like this?
Yeah, just hold on to the base so it's all even. There.
Oh god, one more. Okay. Yo, don't laugh at scissors.
No! I think I need some more. Stop! You're making me nervous!
Wait, here. Go.
Jen, be quiet.
Oh, ask Aiden. I think it's a long one. Because it's back.
Send it to me from your phone.
Oh, yeah. Wait, where's my phone?
I think your phone's downstairs.
My phone's downstairs if you want to do password share.
Okay.
Wow.
This is terrible.
Wait, we just
That's good.
Okay, wait, she gets some more hair.
I'm crying.
What?
We're not done. That's how hers look too. That's how hers look.
I know, that's how hers look.
Hers look like that too. Watch. See? Okay. Be serious, guys.
I am being serious.
That's how hers look. Look.
See, she cut way below the nose.
But look at her hair. It looks the same as yours.
Now the
I think we got too much.
We are just like sorry.
Wait. Okay, the next step is below the chin.
Can you do below her?
Okay, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
a little bit
Because I know.
a mess at the moment.
Okay.
See, she says it looks like a
Don't
mess.
worry, this
Oh my god. Why aren't you cutting it like the other way? Like
Fine,
the
you're fine.
snip way?
Put your chin up so it's even.
prints it in the center.
Amy, can you grab the... Yeah.
And she just kind of like cuts it.
She cuts it from upward.
to blend.
I know.
No, it's coming upward.
Look at the angle. It's
Yeah, I think the angle's the same.
So from shoulders to the longest bit.
You're gonna make it uneven.
It's like a mess.
Oh my god, it looks so good already.
It looks good,
It looks good. I think
And then she
blend
cuts.
it.
Now she's gonna blend a lot harder.
Fuck. I'm scared of the blend.
Oh, this feels weird.
See? Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, you're not finished watching.
Like this.
See, it just goes up. I already saw this whole thing.
Very.
Ready?
No.
Are you really watching a haircut tutorial?
Yeah.
While cutting their hair?
Yeah.
Like this. Like that.
But this side's still.
guys have a vacuum?
Yeah. Okay.
Thick in some areas.
Okay.
No.
This side is not turning out how I want it to turn. Oh, I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so she kind of just brushes it out and then like cuts it, but I can't really see properly.
I feel like you're cutting a lot.
No. We don't
So
even have a lot of
she's
hair. I
not
think we could have
done
gotten
with-
more hair.
No.
Yeah, I think you need more hair color.
No.
She grabs some more hair
Thicker.
from this
See,
side.
she grabs more hair and then
It's gonna
cuts.
help
Wait,
frame
we haven't finished the other part yet.
face.
I know.
Do the same with this
Alright, I need
side.
to pause it.
Just grab it.
Yeah, I think
That looks good.
Oh
There
my
we
God,
go.
That looks short. What? Annie, that doesn't even look like it blends.
Wait, because
Not
you have to
yet.
grab more hair to blend it.
Yeah.
Good. Follow the video.
I'm stressed.
Don't worry.
I think it looks
We won't
pretty
steer
good
you
right
wrong.
now.
Yeah,
It's not bad.
it looks good. Nhìn như rồi.
Nhìn giờ rưỡi giờ chứ ra ui à có sẵn là đi miệng một phía đó nó đó
Yeah, good idea, Mom. Can you do it for me?
nó ui à ảo có mấy cái ui chứ nó đi chụp hình nhanh rồi đó
Mày ui cho con.
you have time to steam your
Steam.
Save your oyai for tomorrow, she said.
Oh yeah, I have to wear the Aoyai tomorrow.
I think we should blend it more here. Like,
Where is
Yeah.
it? It's down there?
No, in Mom's room.
Yeah, I'll steam. I have the steamer over here. Oh, I need a new shirt also.
you gonna put your steam or
Yeah, I'll steam.
Okay, now let's do the grab more section part on it. Ready?
Here at the front here.
I look like 2000.
I'm sweat.
You know,
dude.
2000.
We're gonna style you though.
Just grabs all of that. Comb it all out.
Oh my god, it looks so cute already. Can you see this? Look, doesn't it look so cute already? You just have to style it.
It looks better than this side. This side looks like it's better. It doesn't feel as like choppy, but this side's still a bit thick in some areas.
See?
Oh, I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so she kind
You
of
like
just
it?
brushes it out.
Wait till we style it.
Cuts it.
It's hard to imagine until you stop. Ready? Maybe go make it do the.
it's cute.
So cute. I think it's
cute so
uneven this
far.
one.
It is uneven. Well, I feel like it is. One side is a little heavier, no?
Let me see.
I mean,
Stop laughing. Go like this.
Remember when Mimi made the initial cut and was laughing so much her eyes were closed? Okay. It's so cute. Okay.
It's wispy.
Is it? That's it? The end of the video?
I think so.
Okay. Let's see. Right? Yeah, but my mom's a savage. I'm gonna go get my straight. Mom, can I borrow your straightener? Can you bring us a straightener?
my room I had it
Oh my god, Milo, can you go get it for us?
Milo?
Okay, and
I
then.
feel like the bangs. Mm-mm.
Ooh, I'm really feeling it. But we should bring it down more, like
What?
this. Like I mean, like this. Let's see. I think that's what she was doing in the video. Cause your hair's so thick, you know.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mimi? Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your dream come true.
Okay, ready? Now to style. Now this is gonna transform the look. So cute.
Do you do your own roots, Jen? Or no? I'm just wondering.
Stop, this looks so bad.
No, my bad. That was my
No!
That was my
No,
bad.
that's so bad. No! Oh my god!
What?
What?
the front.
Wait.
Dâm ở dưới đó đi.
Annie, this is like
Wait.
not Bieber.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god.
Roll it. Roll it.
Yeah, she said roll it like the roller. She literally put in a roller.
I know. That's what we're gonna do next.
What do you mean next? That's what she did next.
That's đó.
See? Wow, my mom. See, my mom actually said it looks cute.
Yeah, but it
I'm
looks
sorry.
so honest.
You know she's not gonna say it's cute if it's not. That right, mom? That pony before? See?
I like it. Qua cái mặt ở trên nó thôi. You look it, you know, spicy.
She said it's spicy.
It looks like you're eating something spicy. Ooh,
Yummy.
look at that.
It's cute.
It's poking my eye.
Don't worry about
Over
that.
a little.
You'll get used to it.
Can we just cut your hair?
Oh my god,
I
Jen,
think
you
this
look
is the
so
Korean
cute.
look you're looking
Yeah,
for.
this-
The Korean K-pop.
Yeah. Careful, I don't want to bring your face on.
This is a lot of trust you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Yeah.
really surprised you let us
You
do
know?
this. No, seriously, I'm really, really surprised you
I
let
mean,
us.
you've asked me to get bangs for like how many years now?
I thought you were gonna professionally do it.
I was. And then I was like, I don't want to sit in the salon for like 8 hours.
Oh,
For
wow.
bangs?
Right, babe?
Oh wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thanks.
She trusted us. We did not
After
let her
so
down.
many years.
Okay. I mean, I think if your hair wasn't so oily, the top would be more. Well, actually, I have some.
Try your boo.
Annie!
Rub it on.
Blends with your gray hair.
Annie!
Okay, ready?
Do you want your glasses?
Ready for your reveal?
No.
Put on your glasses and I'll. The big reveal, go.
It's cute.
Oh my god, I hate my foot. Wait, but I like
You
put my hair to the side though.
Oh, try that. Oh,
Try it.
silky cute,
Yeah.
probably.
You guys, I don't know.
Look at this cute bang and the volume and the layers.
The layers are nice.
Oh, that looks nice on the side too.
Yeah. You like it side parted?
Yeah, I'm a side for you.
It looks cute.
It does.
I mean, I'll get
Even on the
used to
side,
it.
it
Even
looks
on the
cuter.
side it looks-
yeah.
Look at that.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, we did good.
Yeah.
You could have paid like $80 for that.
Yes.
That was free 99. Free 99.
Yeah, but it was like high risk, you know.
Yeah. That was true.
Oh my god. That was risky, you guys.
Yeah. Worth it?
I mean, we can try it for.
Worth it.
I think the bangs are a little too short though, right? Up here is a little
No,
short.
put
I
them
think it
around.
looks nice
It looks
on the
nice.
side.
Yeah.
It's not hitting your eyeballs.
It is. Okay, so they're supposed to be wispy, so like kind of curtain, kind of wispy. If you see on the side, I don't know if you can. But yeah, so this, normally I don't have my hair parted in the middle. I feel like my forehead's really big, but I kind of like it. I don't know. I like blow dried it to give it some more like volume. Do I look stupid? No, I usually have my hair parted this way. So it's to give me a little bit more, hold on, not an emo phase. Hold on a sec. See, like a little bit more volume in my bangs, I guess. Like, bangs aren't too bad, I suppose. I'll get it professionally cut, but more or less, it's not that bad if I just get it cut correctly. But yeah, what do you think? This needs a little work, but it's not bad. It's not terrible. Because I know I couldn't do this on my own. But if you guys enjoyed that little fun little thing we did, yeah. Yes, if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my torture and letting my best friends cut my hair. Never again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.